schoolwork is just too hard.
I'm your RA Xavier.
What are you doing here? I heard you were struggling with your classes. I might have a solution for you. Okay. What are you looking at? Hey, I need you to look this way. So here at UAB, they don't want to see you fail. We have various services such as VMAS, TRIO, tutoring, and other opportunities to learn and further your education so that you can pass any obstacle that comes in your way.
You can always go to the VMAS Center where they provide supplemental instruction and special one-on-one tutoring for students struggling in any courses.
If you ever need a place to come study that's quiet, that's maybe get you away from your dorm, you can always come to one of UAB's complimentary libraries, such as Star Library! And if you ever need a quiet place to study, you can always come to the 3rd floor of Stern. So even our complimentary rec, you always need a break from the study because you don't want to overwork yourself.
You can always come relax in our state-of-the-art swimming pool with a whirlpool and this jacuzzi where you can get your hair and feet wet, to our exercise equipment, and you can show how healthy you are by breaking a sweat, and to your basketball court where hundreds of students come to show that they are a threat.
And you can always come talk to your advisors and the heads of your departments for any additional help that you need in your school and your career. You do have a point. This what makes you a great RA, Xavier. I feel so much more comfortable talking to you. And can I ask, when did you change clothes? Dude, I'm an RA. I'm basically a magician. I can make anything happen. Huh? Bye!